Can it fly?
No, it can't.
Can it run?
Yes, it can.
Has it got 4 legs?
Yes, it has.
Has it got long ears?
Yes, it has.
It's a rabbit.
Yes, it is. It's a rabbit.
Can it swim?
Yes, it can.
Is it a fish?
No, it isn't.
Is it very big?
Yes, it is.
Has it got white fur?
Yes, it has.
It's a polar bear.
Yes, it is. It's a polar bear.
Can it swim?
No, it can't.
Can it climb a tree?
Yes, it can.
Has it got 2 legs?
No, it hasn't.
What is it?
It's a spider.
Has it got a tail?
Yes, it has.
Has it got 4 legs?
Yes, it has.
Can it run?
No, it can't.
It's a tortoise.
Yes, it is.
Can it swim?
No, it can't.
Has it got wings?
Yes, it has.
Has it got a beak?
Yes, it has.
It's a bird.
Yes, it is.
Can it run?
No, it can't.
Can it swim?
Yes, it can.
What color is it?
It's black and white.
It's a penguin.
No, it isn't. It's a killer whale.